Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos again. I'm in Florence, Italy, and you see this big tower here? That's what I'm gonna go climb right now. It's like 450 steps, give or take, and it should be pretty exciting. I think it was like 15 or 20 bucks, but I'm gonna go climb the tower and I'll give you a view up in that and then up from on top. That's it, everybody. See you in a minute. Bye-bye. Okay, everybody, so this is the bottom of the tower, and this is what I'm gonna climb. All the way up there. All the way to there. Whew. You ready? Let's do it. Okay, everybody, this is the start of the climb. And it's pretty, oh, and it's dual direction. That'll be interesting. Wow. So people are coming up and coming down. Oh my gosh. Okay. 500 steps. All right, I hate life. Ooh, the sides are burning. Oh my. Oh my. Work. Okay. Let me get to the top. Bye. Okay. This is the first wave. First level. Alla terrazza. Let's read this. Holy crap. Red and green marble. So 1300s, huh? 1334. That's pretty amazing. Holy crap, 400 steps. From here, here's another step. Or two. Oh my. Oh my. That's... Okay. Well, you can see people up there, so I guess that's the next level. Here we go. All right, I'm gonna see if I don't have to. Oh, how do I get around this? Oh crap, oh well. Okay, up we go. More steps. Oh boy, now we're getting tighter. Oh boy. Okay, so this is now spiral staircases with little feet. Oh, That's better. Oh my. Oh my. Okay. It's really steep too. Holy crap. Okay. The next level. Yeah, let's read some more. Okay, as needed, do your pausing. So, that's where I started at. And that's the next adventure over there. Up on top of that thing. Okay, well, are we ready for the next level? Wow, you can see how far down that is. Okay, I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. You can go. Oh. Okay, I'll pause. I've had people say that I film too many butts, but I don't know what other view you get climbing a set of stairs, unless you want to see my feet. Oh, come on. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. No, I appreciate it. Thank you. Okay. I like little breaks. Okay, that's it. Come on, Eric. Yeah. Oh, man. Okay. Okay. Okay, there's still more to climb. Let me go over here and look at this. Oh my. Wow, we are certainly tall. High, I guess. I'm tall too, but I think now I'm wishing I'm high. Okay. Here we go. Last stage. I hope. And I am sweaty. Wow, these just got a bunch tighter. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right. Go ahead.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, crap. Uh-oh. I'll be back. Okay. This is the top. And you can go up here and... Oh boy. Wow. Wow, wow. There's the arc there, the Arc de Triomphe or whatever it's called. And then there's the church over there that I did the video on, where the burial is of the Medici. And then there's the square right there to Point Vecchio. Holy wow. And then over there is the Santa Croce. Holy crap. See Santa Croce? Boy, there's just so much to see. And then that's the church. And that's the next thing to walk up is over there. You see over there, there's people standing there? Yeah. That one's harder though, because that one I think is even more narrow and smaller and... Sorry, I'm wiping my sweat off. Okay. Oh. We made it.
Yes.
Okay. Well, that's it. I kind of wish there was a bigger breeze, but that's life. Wow. Okay, everybody.
What?
Thanks for coming. Bye-bye.